Keeping up with the creative demands of modern advertising can be a challenge. Asset Studio is your centralized destination in Google Ads, designed to simplify this process by bringing your creative workflow into one place. It combines powerful Google AI tools with asset management features and actionable insights to help you build high-quality, high-performing assets. You can now use a suite of AI-powered tools to generate realistic, high-quality images and videos at scale with greater efficiency. With the AI Image Editor, you can edit images using simple text prompts to change backgrounds, add or remove objects, or extend image borders. No external design tools required. Beyond creation, Asset Studio streamlines management. With the Asset Library, you can easily upload, organize, and curate assets and then reuse them across your campaigns without ever leaving Google Ads. You can even generate links to share assets with your team for review and collaboration, even if they don't have a Google Ads account. For transparency, images generated or edited using Google AI include SynthID, a built-in digital watermarking system. Whether you're building videos, editing images, or developing text, Asset Studio simplifies production to help you launch campaigns faster. To start building your assets, navigate to Asset Studio within the Tools menu of your Google Ads account.